like that, yeah.
Hardcore search and destroy. Protect the objectives.
Yeah. Yeah. Just give mommy one.
Hostiles have planted the bomb.
Blue is John Wick. Blue turned into John Wick. That's crazy. Oh. Nah, you should show the last 4 kills. That's a shotgun, right? That's crazy. Let me see if I can.
Hardcore search and destroy. Work quick and clean. No witnesses.
But what the fuck is this?
Bomb plant in progress. Bomb active. One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
He's defusing. Just kidding.
Good job, Jedi.
Take it on the chin. Get ready for the next round.
Good job, my man. Went up in there and bust. Let's go.
Eyes on hostile Semtex.
Hey, you. Boom. The whole shit bang and bang.
It's alright. Coming back. It's alright, it's alright.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know what Langley expects. Get it done.
Bombs red ping.
Yes, walan.
Fuck. Inside middle. One's inside vault. Behind you, Ben. Alright, never mind.
MTC
Above you.
Dry. Get serious, Crimson.
I see you. Another corpse. Move it here.
Good job, bro. Good job, bro. Yeah.
Stop being a cheerleader, bro.
Anybody encourage me today? You can do it too.
No, I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Why the fuck we cannot even win one, bro?
Eliminate the objective.
They're gonna be. They're gonna be in the middle building. Right above the hole.
Nice. Stay alive, stay alive.
I'm playing
Setting
B.
up the bomb. Charges set. There's only one traitor left. Eliminate.
Trying to do?
Push them back.
He's trying to do, bro.
Good job. Good job.
Oh shit, sorry.
Good job.
Good job, shut the fuck up. I don't want to kill you.
Good job.
Word.
Way to go. Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah, don't let us win, it's gonna be embarrassing. Better not let us win.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Come on, guys, we
Defend
can
the
win.
objective.
Just stay down. Just stay the fuck
We got
down.
2 that push B. B Street, like right in this area. Bro, quit. Far left side B, they're spawned. The Squid Game white and green suit skin. Above Volt. Got her, never mind.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice. Not much time left. Put this to bed.
Yeah, motherfucker, where you trying to hide, bitch? Where you trying to
Their
hide?
back foot.
Jump.
Set up.
Where you trying to
Oh,
hide,
bro.
bro?
Ah,
P
boy,
player.
yeah.
The same player right here. The same player.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, what
Way
you
to
trying to
go.
hide, bro? Look at his ass. Look at him.
Oh, yeah.
Embarrassing. Embarrassing.
Look like it hurt. Look like it hurt.
Embarrassing.
Boy, that like it hurt something serious.
Don't let us win.
Hardcore search and destroy.
We go for B again or what?
Copy that. This time it's different, so
Destroy
we're
the
blending.
objective. Hostile RCXD in your AO.
Oh shit. I'll wait for the RC. Let's push on our spawn B. Got to go. Love you, bye. Oh.
Oh!
Time short. Put your head down and secure the target.
They're coming on their spawn. Middle. Middle building. Fucking A, bro.
Not registering. There it goes.
There, bro. What the fuck? I can see your setting that is so, bro. You running side to side like.
Fuck you.
What are you said he sunk. I ain't gonna lie to you. You gotta take that sprint on, but take sideways and whatever the fuck is on the bottom. Turn it off. That's why you run like that after
I just came into a 2 and 4 match.
Yeah, come on. We still getting comeback, bro.
I'm still dead. For one game.
just stay down. Stay back. Stay back. Wait for the rat guy and kill him.
There was no
Don't say it. Your tongue stuck.
Yeah, it is. Ooh, behind you, Trip. Imagine camping in your fucking spawn.
There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
It's on their spawn. It's on their spawn. Yeah, right there. He just went past you, bro. Ain't no way, bro.
What?
Time's nearly up. Close it down.
Behind you. Right there, right there. Just shoot, please.
Bro.
What the f—
Are you fucking kidding me?
I hope you don't hunt like that, because...
Did you know what I'm saying? He's saying he's sub. You see what I'm saying? He's saying he's fucked up. Like, you're saying he's
It's no wonder you wear Sitka.
Sitka's the best, thank you.
No, just turn it off the
Especially when
sideways.
you're
I'm telling
sponsored by
you.
it.
Ah, you're sponsored by Sitka. You must be a real badass. No.
Are you really sponsored? That's sad.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, actually, yeah, thank
No time for motion.
No, we're not
Who's the
talking shit to
originator
you.
of
We're just
Sitka
trying to let
brand?
you fix your
What's the
saving,
person's
bro.
name? First and last name. Right now, spit it off. Because if you're sponsored, you're going to know that. That's what I thought.
You don't spit, you swallow, bro.
Still quiet.
I'm sorry, Trip. We're trying to help you, Trip.
Yeah.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Now,
Right.
if you were actually sponsored by a big hunting brand, know the owner's first and last name.
No damn well you lie, bro. Chill out.
We're planting the bomb.
Oh my god, are you serious?
The bomb has been planted.
Just defend it. Just stay away from the bomb. Don't just stand there and get the grenade, please. Yes!
Single shot. Waypoint marked.
That's crazy. Yo.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice.
Yo, that's crazy. No. We're losing? Yeah, we're
One
winning.
victory is not the rule.
Hmm? Nice, nice.
Hardcore search and destroy.
I got new gun.
Protect the objectives.
Oh, this gun is nice. Woo!
Enemy charges set.
Yes! Fuck, I should just shoot. Fuck. There's a lot of them left.
Scout pulse activated. Got you.
Damn it, Crimson, that's not...
Teammate, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
What? What name is you, bro? Oh, it's alright. Start dancing, nigga. What you waiting for? You know what, dance? I got 2 new guns and that's awesome. I gotta make that itch. Yo, I just switch it, please. Why this game is so funny right now?
Prestige no more because I'm tired of the shit.
The short boys.
I should have never made the mistake and press prestige.
You done fucked up, Aaron.
I got fucking peer pressured into it, man.
That's not a mistake. Just do it again.
It was like smoking crack for the first time. I got peer pressured.
Oh my gosh, the guns in that pack are so cute.
Are you talking about the draw I got?
I never did fucking crack.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, why not? It's good
Don't
time.
knock it till you try it.
Yeah, I'm
so
gonna knock that one.
A shotgun.
I don't think crack is my thing.
What does clear mean?
Because there's a poor stigma related to it. Don't smoke crack, kids. They're right. You ever sucked dick for crack? Love hideout. Feeling a little Tanto-ish today.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Tanto gang.
Defend the objective.
It's tantalizing. That might have been the worst smoke I ever fucking killed.
This.
Oh, somebody ran
shit.
into my fucking grenade.
That was me, sorry, Kevin. I thought it was a laser grenade. I land on top of sea cans. He's in the back corner window of his spawn. On B side. Stand on that windowsill. I land right there.
There's 6 of them. Just eat.
Throw it at your feet, bro. We didn't get 1 kill. Bang. Yeah, we fucked up.
Woo! Fuck right there! God damn! Scared the fuck out of me. Oh. Holy shit!
Holy piss monkeys!
Scared the fuck out of me.
Subqueen loco. Victor.
I was just minding my business.
And then you got a headshot.
Nailed it. I missed. Just got scared.
What's clurb mean? Up in the clurb.
Focus, motherfucker.
You forgot to ask at the right time, so.
Yo, focus, motherfucker.
Escape windows open. Go, go,
No.
go.
Grenade out.
The grenade kill. Okay. Go.
Wait, what the fuck, bro? Yo, that is
One more by
too
the
much.
side.
Fucking 3 bullets is crazy.
You get that bitch by the sea cans? I fucking hope so. Oh, there's one hiding behind that water tank over there, Kevin. Those little white crates that you see on fire.
on the
Fuck's
roof
the
here.
oh.
On the bus side.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
a couple. I thought there was only one left for some reason.
No.
Thank you. You too.
Now it's 1v3.
Frick. Dude, I didn't even see it's banned in the game still.
Not much time left. Put this to bed.
Do it, him. Let's see.
Oh.
Over there.
I missed my fucking jump. Bounced off the wall.
What's this flare bean?
You got clapped is what happened, buddy.
No, alright. We're waiting for you
me?
to talk shit.
Good try, though. Maybe you'll get better at the game now.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, maybe. Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Come on, bro.
You can
Stop
do
that
it, buddy.
Give me that ass.
Stop that too, dude. Stop that too.
Beat these fools, pissing me off.
We have our orders. See it
We
through.
pretty much have to
Hostile
win.
UAV established overhead.
Don't rush too
Oh,
far.
we can beat him. He's gonna defend this time, so.
UAV down.
Is it that fucking grenade?
Good shit, boy.
Nobody's helping me on C-Can side. Fuck.
But fucking play Minecraft right away for this stuff so bad.
Ah! Going down on A. Under the bridge.
Damn, I just pissed off in
BB2.
Q4. Right there, right side!
There's one traitor left. Eliminate them.
One left.
Oh, he's up top C-Cans, last one.
Oh my
Shit.
Yes.
Give me a PS5.
There it is. There it is.
Yeah, PC
He got
is
better.
for trash players.
How about me walk through you
Yeah,
guys?
but I
And kill four of you guys.
so it's not gonna be terrible.
$5,000 budget.
If I need it, you know.
You can buy a lot of crack with that.
Short hair.
I love crack.
I buy what I want anyway.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Good time.
Hey,
Don't knock
team,
it till you-
let's do better for Kevin.
Oh
Don't
yeah, we
knock
can do it. We can do it.
Eliminate the objective.
He'll leave if we do bad.
Who'll leave?
You. If we leave you just hanging forever and not help you. My grenade bounced back and...
Oh shit.
Oh, 2 at buses. 2 at buses.
Well,
Plant B.
we got
Plant B.
fucked up.
Give me
Dirty,
one.
you got the bomb.
That shit.
Dirty Bird, you got the bomb.
Plant
Plant B.
You're DP. Where's? Javier
Bomb
Mucha.
going down.
Yes, look.
I forgot. Like it said, it doesn't tell me I have the bomb. I'm sorry.
Bomb is armed.
It really doesn't. Like I know the.
Kevin
I've seen the
does,
indicator
though.
on core. I know Kevin does. I'm just
Kevin
saying.
tells you.
I didn't know.
2v4.
You got eyes on that bomb?
Yeah, he's watching that backside.
Oh fuck.
Oh, near
Up in
ball.
the window.
They got us.
The enemy's defused our
Holy fuck! There's a lot more people.
Oh yeah.
I thought there was only a couple.
Didn't even show my kills. Damn.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Okay, Ben, step it up.
I'm gonna try.
Don't you all have one?
Fools. Falcon has 2. Yeah, Kubi, you have 1 too. Shut the fuck up. Step it up.
Oh my god, our one guy's just shooting his gun off in the spawn. He just wasted all his ammo.
We have reports of an infiltrator.
Oh
Watch
my
your back.
god. The guy's name's blacked out, he's cheating.
Yo, I cannot shoot.
There's
What
2 at
the
buses,
fuck?
random.
Up top, he's up top.
Not your best work. Clean it up.
No, I cannot shoot my last shot, so fuck that.
Damn. Fucked him up. Embarrassed him.
Search and destroy.
Their whole team's working.
I got my medal. Dude.
Yeah, their whole team's positive, so they deserve
Shoot
to
and
win.
kill. We're not here to negotiate.
They don't deserve shit, but they are. Oh, don't go in there. Uh-oh.
Fuck. They're up top in that room to the left, FS. He's
Oh,
walking
hit
bomb.
markered him.
How's that walk?
.4v3.
I think we should A plant, but that's just me, maybe.
Bombs pushing B side currently.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with extreme prejudice. Time's nearly up. Close it down.
Who's planning?
Nobody yet.
Dude, you got the bomb. Go plant.
I know, bro. Chill the
Fuck,
fuck
he's upstairs
out.
in the window. He just jumped back out the yellow container. Fucking plant the bomb.
The bomb has been planted.
Trying to do? What you trying to do?
Not your finest, Crimson. Clean it up.
The same guy woke you down. I still killed 4 guys. Again.
Good job, buddy.
You're cheating.
You're
Oh my god,
right.
he's hacking.
You're the one who's cheating.
He's so hacking, bro.
Who's hacking, bro?
So they got a plant. Maybe I recommend don't rush their spawn and die immediately.
Yeah,
You can help rush
Rush their spawn and die immediately? Okay.
That seems to be the current trend.
It is, and it's
Not
not good.
for me.
There you go, see? Yeah, press their spawn and die.
Oh my
I
god,
was
window.
near their spawn.
I was in the middle.
You were
and he
so,
hopped up
I
those
saw you.
stairs and fucked me.
I was on the buses.
Bombs right here.
3v4.
Their bomb. Their bombs on B. There we go.
3v4.
Oh, fuck. Up in the window on the buses.
2v4.
Oh my god, how the fuck I cannot hear that motherfucker?
Where the fuck?
Fuck.
Oh my god! Oh, it's behind you! Oh my god!
Time short.
Hey,
Put
there's
your
only
hand
one
down.
left.
Panicked, alright?
2 more.
There, he's in front of you!
Dude,
Oh my
dude,
god!
they're right back there. 2 more.
I know.
Uh-oh.
I'm panicking. I'm panicking. I'm sorry.
That is fucking. You should have been dead from the first 2. I'll take it.
Right. My heart was
Hilarious.
racing a bunch of hits. So I was not gonna lie, I'm panicking.
I am struggling.
Hardcore search and destroy.
He's kind of
Right,
sad.
disappointed. I'm usually good at this map.
Me too.
Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences.
Maybe it's them, not us.
Or you have to kill yourself.
Man.
They are pretty good.
So as soon as I... Never mind.
Bomb is armed.
4 left, 3 left.
Jesus. That
Oh
fat
shit,
bitch
1
yelled in
left.
my
2,
ear.
2, 2, 2, 2.
There's only one traitor left. Eliminate them.
Check the bomb, check the bomb.
All hostiles eliminated.
Yeah.
Messy work, kill team, but we'll take it.
Nice, y'all. Down, sit down, y'all.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Rush to your death immediately?
I'm better than Kubi now. 4 kills that last time.
Defend the objective.
Watch your mouth, bro.
Watch.
True,
Watch
let's
your
see
mouth,
it. See it, bitch. Oh my god, right up the middle, you fucked me. See it, Kubi?
Hell no,
You'd be
I'm so
better than me.
scared. I'm so scared. So I know there's one
I'm so
right around
fucking
this
scared
corner.
right now. Where Will Ferrell needs to come in.
Oh, he's there. Oh, fuck.
Oh. That was so quick.
Right side.
There's one laying down on A.
Another one coming right side. V3.
They're on B.
Not much time left. Put them to bed.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Another one back there in the back.
We're definitely on B. The Scout Pulse is personal then, eh? It's a personal UAV?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One fugitive remains. Terminate with
Oh, yeah.
extreme prejudice.
1v1. Wait for him to plant.
I think they're coming to you, B.
Right there. Oh, yeah.
Never mind, I heard
Yeah.
a flag waving. You know what I mean? I heard moving. There's a flag.
How about that?
Landed
Hey,
on
can
your
you
head.
turn some heat on?
It's cold,
Right.
eh?
It's 7.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Alright, Kubi, let's
Wow,
go.
Did we really win that?
Bro, I am literally trying my hardest.
Destroy
No,
the
you aren't.
objective.
Do better.
I'm throwing a grenade out there. Watch out.
Holy fuck.
Hey, good grenade kill, bro.
Thank you. I got like 3 from there already because they keep running out there.
Oh, I'm dead. Somebody looked at me.
Another one behind you. Oh, I got him. Saved your life.
No, you didn't. You didn't say shit.
Fucking hit markers, cocksucker.
Saved your life from the one side, not the other.
Holy shit, we won.
Yeah, I killed that
Oh
bitch.
yeah, we were moving Troy. I forgot to put
We
that.
just like to keep it even, you know?
What did I told you, bro? What did I told you? Look at him. Statue of Liberty.
Don't get cocky now.
How'd the
Damn.
disrespect you like that, he says.
search and destroy.
Hey, what are you doing?
I
Where's
have
the
a
food?
UAV to go down, so don't rush to your deaths quite yet.
Alright, chill out, please.
Go ham, okay.
Daddy
There's
doesn't
one out
know
there.
about this. God damn.
Don't rush these fucks. Sorry.
There's three right on A bomb and one in the back of
What
B.
the? There's a mine.
Okay, let's
One in this window up here.
Oh,
Upstairs.
He's in the very back of B by that car.
Oh, he
One
pulled his head
underneath our
as soon as
spawn building.
Like, did he know I was gonna throw a stun grenade as soon as he pulled? Like, fuck.
Oh, just you, Kevin. Other two in our side. Our side. Oh,
That fucking glitch is
I think that guy was laid up.
I have to make a call.
Good
It's okay,
game.
it's okay. We tried.
No way, Kubi and Falcon are both ahead of me. What the fuck?
You're not giving me.
How the fuck are you up there, Kubi?
Hey.
There's no way.
What the fuck happened there?
You said step it up.
Crazy. That's what that is.
I was just like 10 rounds too late.
Right? Last round does decent.
Yo, is that player one?
Hardcore search and destroy. Protect the objectives. The enemy's on their back foot. Don't let up.
I'm sorry. I gotta hide. There's mommy.
Hardcore search and destroy. Destroy the objective.
They're on our spawn. Hey, put TV. Give me that boot.
No time for moping. We have more work to do. Hardcore search and destroy. Use of deadly force has been approved.
Setting waypoint. Setting waypoint.
Enemy scout pass detected. Time's nearly up. Close it down. Failures not in Crimson's lexicon. Do better.
Setting rally point.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Hold you down a little bit.
Eliminate the objective. Time short. Put your head down. Secure the
Oh
target.
my god, the fuck?
Take it on the chin. Get ready for the next round. Hardcore search and destroy. CIA, you're
Hold you
clear.
down.
Work your frag lists. The enemy's planted the bomb.
Enemy, 12 o'clock.
Not your best work. Clean it up. Hardcore search and destroy. We have our orders. See it through.
Fucking up in the tower.
Not much time left. Put this to bed.
One v6. Nah, fucking with you. 1v2. One's above you, by the bus. Yeah, I think a bomb was down there. There's one in the tower. I don't know for sure where they're at now. He was still up there.
It's not in Crimson's lexicon. Do better. Hardcore search and destroy. You know what Langley expects. Get it done. Next call. Enemy watchdog helo inbound.
Oh shit, I thought I had C4 on there.
Time to get our heads dirty, Black Ops. Get to work. We got the lead. Now hold it. Incoming contract.
Oh no.
Hostile scout pulse in your AO. Eyes on enemy. Piss off.
This, where the fuck are you, dude? Wow. Just missed up.
Spring mine spotted.
Yes. Ain't no way, motherfucker.
Eyes on enemy. Assault pack removed.
Oh my. Where's the freaking... This! Fuck.
Company assholes beat you? Fight back, damn it!
That was a massacre, but the guild always returns fire.
Huh?
deathmatch. Neutralize all threats.
Eyes on.
Lead guard.
North end.
You've fallen behind. You're taking control.
That shit off. The love thing na tunay di ako. Yo, wala nang kilometer. Yo, what the fuck? Nobody can kill that. Fuck you, bro. Don't start arguing over there, nigga. Fucking beat me off, you motherfucking stuff. I swear to God. Fuck! Dude, you just stand there and die, bro. What the fuck?
Stun inbound.
this. What the fuck, bro? Like,
We have the edge, but don't get cocky. This shit ain't over. Perfect execution.
you're sus.
Good work, Woods. Your squad can do some damage. Enemy target confirmed.